So hello everyone, welcome to new Flutter video. So you may have seen various packages on pop.dev. We can use that package using importing these dependencies in our spec.yml. So if we have to use any package, we just copy it and add into our dependency. So do you know how to create this type of widget and publish it to pop.dev? So today I will be showing you how to do that. Also, I will show you how to use your packages locally and from GitHub using private repository. So I'll just show you today. So I have just created a demo application. It's showing hello world. So for demonstration, I will be creating simple widget or package you can say. We just create glowing text widget where our text will just glow, and we can set its font size and color, etc. So let's create it. So I create widgets folder here. Now I'll create a new file, glowy text. Now I will create new widget here. Now I just return container here, child text and hello. Okay, so we just replace the text with that glowy text. Also we have to pass the string which we are showing in constructor. So I will just create one variable here, string text. It is necessary field, so we just add it here. Required this dot text, it will be required. So and here we pass our named fields. So we just create font size, it will be double, and color, and we just pass on here. It is not required. We will set some color by default and font size by default. If someone want to change it, they can change it. This dot color, this dot font size. As it is not required, so we just mark question mark here, and we just pass text here. Now we can call glowy text here. Hello. So now hello is visible. So we have to make the text glowy. So for it, we pass the various parameters here. So style, text style. Here we pass our font size. If font size has given here, we pass the font size. Else we just pass null here. Font size equal not equal to null. Then we passed font size. Else we pass null. Same for color. If color is given, we pass on the color. Else we will pass the null. Now for make it glowing, we just add shadow here. For shadows, it takes a list of shadows. So we pass the list of shadow. Here we have to pass required parameters: blur radius, color, and offset. So shadow color we also take from constructor. And this also we add in constructor. And we have to pass some default data. If someone not gives any shadow color, then we just show our default color as a shadow. So color, if shadow color is given not equal to null, we just show the shadow color. Else we will show like purple color. Okay, so what's the error? Okay, so now we will also give some font size by default. So For default, I think 30 will be good, and color will be white, colors.white, and also we just add some blur radius here. That will also be take from user. If they want to change it, they can change it. Otherwise, we just make it. So we will pass if blur radius is not equal to null, we just pass on the blur radius. Else we will pass 20. What's the error? Okay, so blur radius will be double. So by default, it is taking purple as a glowing means shadow color and white as a color. So if we have to change it, we can just pass on the parameters here. So if you have to give it a orange color, we can just pass colors.orange, and we can also change the blur radius and other things. We have to add blur radius and shadow color in constructor. Shadow color is already added, so we just add blur radius. So we can manipulate it also. So I have passed the color as colors.orange, and shadow color we just pass colors dot red, and shade will be 200. So let's check out. So it's looking good. So we can also change it font size. We can make it 50, and we can also make it bold, then it will look better. Font weight dot bold. Yeah, now it is looking good. Now if we have to add this widget to our packages, so we have to do some we have to go through some process. So for making it package, it is not very good widget, I know it, but just for demonstration purposes I have created this package. So if we have to make the package of glowy text, we just move into our file explorer, and suppose I have to make the package here. So I just open terminal here. We just put the command is flutter create template hyphen template is equal to package, and here we will give our package name. So our package name is glowy text, and just hit the enter. So I have successfully created the package. So if we open the package, it it have a structure like our main project, but it doesn't have web, android, else folders. It is just package. So it just have lib test and other YML file etc. So in lib there is a glowy text name dart file. We have to export our main package file from here. So we just open this package in VS Code. We have opened the package in VS Code. Now here is one template given of calculator. So we'll just remove it, and we also remove it from text. Okay. So now we have to add our package we have just created here. So we'll create new file, glowy text widget dot. We can add it in src. Like if we have multiple files, we always have to put it in folder. Code and folder structure will not get messy, and we have to export this file from here. So just like we import packages and all, we have to export it. So export, we have to export it from src glowy text widget dot. So we have exported from here. We have to add our text widget code here. So it is our text widget code. So we just add it there, and it's done. Our first local package is created, uh, and we have just imported it from here. So how to use this package? Now I will show it. Now in our this is our main code. You can see Android, iOS, other files. So we will just delete this widget folder, so I can demonstrate the use of packages. So you can see glowy text is giving error because we don't have glowy text widget in our lib folder. So we just have to add that package into our pubspec.yml. So we have to add that package. So we just give the package name here. Our package name is glowy text, and for importing local package we have to give its path. So path of the package is, we can see our project name is package use. this is our package and this is our main project. So we have to import this widget. So we have to give its path. So we'll just copy its path, copy as path, and we just paste here. It is package. So we have to import it in our main project. So but this is not correct format to give the path. So as we know, it is in its parent folder. So we'll just add the relative path of it by this. You can import that package glowy text, and done. Now we will check in output whether we get the path of whether our package is imported or not. So we will just run the pubget. So no output came. We have to just check here that our package is included or not. So locally it is not available. So let's check package glowy text. Yes, it is imported. So we just add it here, and now we have it enabled. We have just imported it from package. You can see here package glowy text, and from glowy text dart. You can see it is the same format as we import from the pub.dev. So we will refresh our project and see whether it is working or not. So it is working totally fine. We can try changing it. Hello world, and we can change color to black and change shadow color to gray or yellow. You can see it is working. So we have successfully imported our package from local storage. So I will just tell you how to import our package from GitHub. So to upload our package to GitHub, we'll just move to our package section. This is our package section, right? So here we can give some detail or description about our package. So we'll just give it make text glowy. Okay, and we can maintain its version from here. Like if we make some changes in it, we can change it version to 2 and so on. So we have to push it to GitHub and we have to import it from GitHub. So how to do it? Just initialize empty repo in this folder and make your first commit. I have created commit. So I'll just create a private repository. So I have already logged in my Git account in my PC. So I have successfully created a repo on my GitHub of this package. So we can open it from here. So the URL of package is available now, but it is private. So I have login in my PC, so only I can access it. But if we made public, anyone can access it. So we just copy this URL. We need it to import. So now you can see this is import using our local storage. To import it using GitHub, we have to just delete it. We have to add Git here. Also inside Git, we have to add path. No path actually. We have to add URL and just paste URL here and reference. You can pass main here. If you updates anything in it, you can pass its commit hash to update the project. Okay, or you can just while changing anything, you have to just change its version and upload it to GitHub, and we have to commit here and upgrade packages, so our packages will be automatically upgraded. So I'll just import this package using GitHub repo now. So I think it is imported. Yes, so you can see there is no error, and if you refresh it, it is working just fine. So if you have to make any changes in it, I will show that also. How can we make changes in it and update it package on GitHub? So like I have to add dependency in this package. So how to add this? So just go to pubspec.yml of that package and add dependency here, just below the Flutter SDK. We have to add like I will be adding font Google font here. I will be doing pubget. So I have added Google Fonts. So I will just import Google Fonts in my package. So we have just added Google Fonts package. So we have to make some changes in it, our package. So we just change our font family. So in textile, font family, Google Fonts dot Poppins. We use Poppins theme here and font family. So it will give the font family of Poppins font. And if you refresh it, our package, this will be updated. So if you have to update this on GitHub, we have to just commit the changes to GitHub. So we can commit here, added Google Fonts and commit. One thing to remember, we have to change our version every time we push the changes to our GitHub. It is not necessary, but it is recommended to maintain the version while pushing or making any changes in our package. So we just change the version and commit. We have committed it. So if we check in our GitHub, yes, commit is done. So we can now upgrade our package in our main project. So it is a main project, and here we have uh, imported our Glowy text package from GitHub. So we have to now upgrade our packages so that we can face the latest version of it. We can see now it is in normal font. If we update, if the package gets updated, the fonts will be Poppins. You can see here Glowy text 0.02 from Git, and previously it was 0.01. So we'll just go to main and just press auto load, and after that it is auto loading. So after hot loading is being completed, we have to see, we will be able to see the package with the font of Poppins. So we can see the font is Poppins now. Normally it was a default font, but now it is Poppins. So I will make one more change to uh, show clearly. So what we'll do is just wrap it with border box. It is just for demonstration. Box decoration border dot all colors dot black. So after making these changes, we'll just change our version and push it to GitHub added border. We have just posted to our GitHub. As soon as changes reflect in our GitHub, we can upgrade our package in our main project. So we can see that package is updated. New command is done. So we can go to our obspec.yml and we can upgrade package. Now you can see version 0.03 from GitHub. Okay. So if we refresh it, you can see border is there. So this is how you can make changes, your GitHub packages and upload it to GitHub, or you can use it locally also. But only you have to maintain is the version of your package so that you can upgrade it. So we have successfully created our first package, and we have also imported it from local and also imported it from GitHub, and we also have learned to how to make changes into it and upload by changing its version to GitHub and upgrade packages in our main project. So for publishing the package to pub.dev, you may need a verified publisher account. So I will cover that in next video. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.